Hey guys, we're playing another YouTube video tutorial about the Nerf gun, the Nerf FireStrike, and also I have a friend that will be representing the, what's the gun called? Go ahead and go close.
The Nerf and Strike Jolt.
Yeah, we'll be explaining. I'll be explaining about this. He'll be explaining by that. Okay, so what the FireStrike can do, it's got a laser, but I don't have the batteries. Also can hold up to 3 bullets, 1 in the barrel, and then 2 in this little small thing that shoot this, then you just pull it over. Yeah. But they say it goes up to 75 feet, but I'd say maybe about 50. It is good on range, but not always exact. Now I'll be doing a range, how far it goes. Okay, now we'll be testing the range. So the accuracy with this gun is extremely well. It goes completely accurate. It's really good. It's pretty good on range. I think it will go all the way to the wall. Let's see. Yeah, it hit the wall. See, it's good on range. We're going to have to go for a farther distance, but where? Okay. Now we'll be testing the range more farther. Let's all go into the little gym room. Okay. I don't know if you can see the gun, but I'm just going to shoot the bullet. Okay, I don't know if you have to see that, but kind of done. I know it can go further. Wow, I never heard this gun whistle before. Okay, we'll do the last bullet here. Then we'll go to the mini pistol. Okay. Okay, so first bullet that I shot landed right there. Pretty sure you can see it unless you're blind. Then the second one landed like right there. Pretty good. And then our final one went all the way back here. Not bad. Yeah. Well, now I'm kind of done explaining the FireStrike, and now we'll have my friend explain his gun. Okay, now let me see the weapons for a second. So now we'll be explaining the Nerf Jolt, whatever. The thing's a little small handgun. The distance far. The range and accuracy is good. And now he'll be explaining the rest to this gun.
Alright, hey guys. As he said, this is the Nerf and Strike Jolt, or joint, I guess. And it can shoot up to 20 to 15. It's supposed to shoot up to 20, but we think it's 15. But anyways, it did.
It shoots up to 15 feet.
Okay, what he said. Shoots up to 15 feet. The accuracy is kind of pretty well. It did cost about like $5. If you want a close-up of it, here you go. As you can see, you can only fit 1 bullet in. There's no other place to display or hold any more bullets. To load it, all you do is pull this right here, stick it in, and shoot it, you know. So I'm going to be showing you how it shoots. Okay, so as I said, it cocks from down here. All you do to cock it, grab this orange thing, pull it like so. Once you've pulled that, you get your gun ready. Once you have your gun ready, you pull the trigger. When you pull the trigger, it'll shoot 15 feet.
Here's an example. Not bad. Okay, it shot from here all the way from there. Pretty good for a little handgun. What do you say?
Yeah, it is small, but it is a good gun.
Never judge the size.
Yes.
Okay, guys, and that's our episode for the Nerf Airstrike fires gun
And the Nerf and Strike Jolt.
well, that's all I have for this episode. See you another time.